during my review kasi parang na-inspire talaga akong magsulat. Ayun, walang sukuan, laban lang. For those people who are listening to me right now, ilang beses ka mang nadapa, kung nahihirapan ka na, nabibigatan ka na, eto, para sa inyo to. Isang munting hakbang papalapit sa iyong pangarap na gustong makamit. Duday haharang pero never quit. Because you are more than that. Go, take, and pass. Kahit na madapa, wag na wag kang pagigiba. Bangon lang ng bangon kasi kaya mo. Hanggat humihinga, larga lang. Ituloy mo, sige pa. Tanging ikaw lamang ang kalaban mo. Keep on dreaming, keep on pushing, keep the fighting. Walang sukuan, laban lang. Keep the fire burning, keep on praying. Put your heart in all the things you do. Kahit ano ang humadlang, huwag magpapigil sa iyong paghakbang. Keep on dreaming. Keep on pushing. Keep on fighting. Walang sukuan, laban lang. Marami kang dapat malampasan. NGN. NCLEX exam. English test. OSCE, kung sino man nasa Australia. Visa screen. Pagtitibayin ka ng iyong karanasan. Kung magkakamali, okay lang yan. Basta't bumangon sa kinalalagyan. Keep on dreaming. Keep on fighting. Keep the fire burning. Put your heart in all the things you do. Don't give up because you know it's true. There is a license intended for you. You just have to go and get it. Sa iyong kamay nakalagay ang iyong tagumpay. Walang hindi kakayanin para sa taong may gustong marating. Samahan mo ng sipag at tiyaga at dasal ang iyong galing. Gawin mong katotohanan ang iyong hiling. Do it. Make it. Dive into the mission. Never stop until you get that license. Failure is a winner by permission. Dreams do come true. It's just a matter of decision. Go and pass. When I pass.